So we're out here just harvesting some cucumbers and tomatoes and just veggies in general. I gotta get through all this. So what did you find? Oh wow, that is a really good one. Yeah, we don't harvest them until the tops flop over. So those still have, they're still good to go because they're not squishy yet.
This one's squishy.
Yeah, that one, let me see. Yeah, that one you could probably pull out. Like this one right here, Noah?
Mm-hmm.
See how that's flopped over?
Yeah.
That one's done.
So just pull it up?
So yeah, any of those that look
So
like
do I
they're...
cut it and pull?
Nope, just pull. There you go.
Then do I cut this?
No, leave that because we gotta let it, dry up so we could have a good shelf life. Unless we're using it like tonight or something.
You could probably make it.
Did I lose a glove? Oh well.
No, just right over there.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Some of these are flopped over.
Oh yeah.
This one's flopped over. That one's flopped over.
Mhm. This one's looking pretty big too. What about this one over here? I see one right behind here. What does that one look like? Oh, that's not
flopped over.
That's not too big. Still good. I wonder what the owners of our last house is probably harvesting hundreds of huge onions right now. You got it? It's okay, just grab it around.
Oh my. You want to get the roots?
Yeah. There you go. No, we'll just have to use that because we cut
Can I cut
the roots off. Yeah, go ahead. Just anything that we're not going to use right away, don't cut the roots off. Usually I let it dry and then I'll cut off most of it, but not right up to the bulb. Okay, let's see. Is there any other ones? I think this one is ready. Do you want to get that one yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's not good, Noah. Gotta not dust it onto the ground because when we get gravel in here, we shouldn't be doing that unless we lay out like a tarp or something so we can clean it up.
There's grass in here.
Yeah, that's true. I just don't want to get into the habit. That red one over here looks like it's done too.
True.
There you go.
How big are these supposed to get?
About like this size or bigger. Usually, or at least that's what we got from previous years. I wonder if these are ready, but of course I probably can't read the tag anymore. Yeah. See, that's what happens when you use a Sharpie marker. Doesn't matter if you use permanent or not. You can't read it. Say again? Oh wow. Let's see if any of those, let me see if any of those are ready. Let's see these. Those are nice.
I mean, that one looks ready.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So how do we get these?
You just twist them. Oh, that one's already being eaten by
So I just
probably
twist
worms.
it?
I'm gonna leave that so that they don't move on to another cabbage. This one looks like it's...
So I twist it?
Yep, go ahead and twist it. Or we could get the big old knife and... There you go, you got it.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool. The basket's full.
Okay, so let's see. This one over here looks really good too. If you want to get that. They're not huge, but let's get them before the bugs get them at this point.
So much water. This one?
Mm-hmm. Yep, that one looks good.
But it already has.
No, it's okay. We'll take off the outer leaves. You could scoop it from underneath if you need to.
Fine.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want to grab it from underneath?
I'm good.
Okay, now pull it up. It looks like it's good.
Okay.
Oh yeah, see?
I'm
I think you've been twisting for a while and it was already broken off. Yeah, so some of these have quite a bit of aphids going on. I should probably spray them. I just haven't had time. So let's see, is there any other ones that are probably good? These are definitely really bad. Is it pretending to be dead or something? Looks like it's upside down.
Oh, I think it's just the.
What's that bit upside? Did I say that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't hurt it.
Oh. Poor little garden snake. Okay, well, we got cucumbers to harvest too.
I think it's alive.
Let's see if there's any other cabbages over here. Oh yeah, there's this one over here. That looks good. And this one. And this one. Let's harvest some of these before the aphids and slugs find them too much, because you could see the slugs are really going to town. Well, looks like I just pulled that one out. It's okay. Just gotta make sure I don't put the dirt inside the basket. Got yours too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the snake.
Did I step on it? Oh no. I think one of us stepped on it. I forgot about it.
Well, now it's dead.
Well, let's put that in the compost.
No, we got to take a picture. Oh, wait.
I got a video going.
You said
I'm sorry, snake. What? Just put it on
Why do you have to take a picture? This one?
I was thinking this one here. Look at this.
Mom, this one doesn't even have a bulb.
Oh no, then don't.
But there's so many eggs in it.
Ooh, I gotta spray that. That looks like it's slugs. Okay, let's just get this one right here. That one looks pretty good too. I'm just worried that if we leave them out too much longer, that they're not going to be usable if the bugs keep getting them.
At least if it's small, we can at least use it.
Those were one of the last ones I harvested.
This one looks good though. Nope. Too many eggs. Too many eggs. Oh.
Where? No, that's dirt. Or it looks like it's dirt. Oh yeah, that one looks really good.
Can I harvest these?
No, they are not ready yet. They're not even close to being ready. I started these really, really late in the summer.
What about this?
Ooh, kale. Okay, let's see. Is there aphids on them? No, they're looking good.
Is that
Oh,
kale?
okay. Well, I'll clean those off. Yeah, this is dinosaur kale, and it looks like slugs are also getting them. Dude, I need to start baiting out here.
Mm.
for slugs.
Just
Yeah.
eggs.
You know what I do
What?
want to do is cut these heads off that have the seeds over here. Man, these cabbages look really good.
So whose head off?
Yours. These heads.
Oh.
So then we could harvest, no, not harvest, so we could save the seeds. We just need to get the little snippers, or we could pull them out, but I figure getting the snippers would probably be better at this point. I kind of want to harvest some of these.
Yeah, coffee's ready.
Huh? Coffee's ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Stop. Just eggs on it.
We usually take the outer leaves off anyways.
Alright, let's go enjoy some coffee.
Okay. So look at all these. We'll cut them off. I'll probably spray them out here real quick though.
Mom is face tracking. Here, I'll do nothing. Because I need to go into here.
Even more, but I'm gonna put it down and wash it first. Oh, gross. What happened? What'd you find, Charlie? What is it? What's in there? What's in there?
What?
Did you just hear him toot? Never heard him toot before. He just tooted.
He's like, I can smell it.
He's like, what happened? He goes, I don't know what just came out of my butt.